We're the NooBRs.
You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
We're the NooBRs teams, and most of the team are Brazilian guys, except her. But yeah.
That's
and
why they BR.
yeah, BR for Brazilian. It's like noobs, but with BR, because everyone here is like the first time in the challenge, and we are like not so experienced about develop things, and yeah, that's our team. And two guys couldn't come today, but yeah, and we have choose the Where on Earth project because we wanted to practice, to do a project, and looked like a thing that we could do well. And the challenge is about creating a game that the players have to look in a satellite image and have to guess where is the location of this image. So it's about making the people understand about a satellite image, and yeah. So the main problem that we have found was it's like a satellite image is not that attractive to a game. I mean, you looked at a satellite image and yeah, it's hard to understand. It's hard to present to the people. So we tried to involve more the people, making the people post their own image. So in the game, the people will like post their own image and choose the image from like Google Earth or from a database from satellite images, and then yeah, they can like make a custom image. And the good thing about this is the people, the players are creating the database of the game. They're like providing information about the cities they are put in the image. They provide some description, some photos. So yeah. So you want to talk?
No.
So first we made a sketch about the game, what it should looks like, and then you had like this is the main screen. So like we're going to explain how we're going to play. It's like there is the image from the satellite and the image that the user have provided, and there are some hints that he chooses the hints, he writes the hints, and then when he clicks in the hints, it's going to show up what's about, and then it was our first sign. You could see the globe, all the cities from there, and it was designed for Android application. So I think we thought that it should be better to have the letters down there. It should be a hint. It should be easier to write. Yeah, and then the congratulations page. So after we had the sketch, we thought, oh, why not try make people play it already? So we went to Facebook and asked the people to post photos from wherever they wanted, somewhere they have visited, and put their own hints. And we had good results. I mean, the people participated was about a few posts. I think about 20 posts, I don't know. And yeah, there's lots of different places, and yeah, they provided the information. And then, so we had a lot of stuff, so then we tried to do a prototype of the screen, the main screen. So first we think about doing a tutorial before entering the main game, but we thought about doing the main screen to show you guys. So it's actually uploaded in a server. I think it's the project description. So we talked about removing the city photo and putting in the hint, because people tend more to look in the photo, the photo provided, I mean, they tend to not to look in the satellite image because the photo image is easier to look. So we want to try to make people understand the satellite image, and then there is the points of the hints that for playing, that's the 5 stars. And every time the person tries to see a hint, he loses a star. I mean, if you use less hints, you get more points, but the first hint doesn't cost points. And then you can zoom in the satellite image, and then
2 minutes left.
okay, and then if you click, it pops out the hint, and then if you click, each hint costs 1 star. So when you click, you lose 1 star. And then, guess everyone knows that's New York, and you can see the photo hint that costs 2 stars, and then you can write the city name and submit. Yeah, it should look something like that, the game. So we think this game is interesting because people like sharing stuff, like sharing their experience, like sharing photos. So why not do that and with satellite image too? And doing that, they can learn more about how to read a satellite image. And
1 minute left.
okay, and they can see the people's perspective of the world from like everyone, because anyone can post photos in the game. Anyone can create a challenge. And yes, I think. Yeah. Thanks for
everyone.
yeah, everyone help.
So who else was in your team, and what did each of the individual team members do?
Here there's Nilsson and Lucas.
They are not here.
They are not here. But we tried to make everything together. And didn't separate. Oh, you do this, I do this.
Yeah,
we
of
make
course.
everything together.
Yeah, and we didn't have too much experience, and so yeah, everyone tried to work together. Yeah.
We shared roles.
Hmm?
We shared roles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was just curious, so in terms of the technical component, what did you make, first of all, what are y'all majoring in? You know, are you in school
Okay.
still? And then secondly, what did you make technically? I mean, there's some good graphics up there, but is it on an app? Is it, I missed that, I'm sorry.
Okay. You are studying computer science. You are exchange students. So I have studied like 3 years in Brazil, and now studying here in AUT. And you?
I'm doing my second year at AUT for Creative Technologies.
Yeah. And what we have done is it's not, what we have done is not really working. It's like just the visual stuff. I mean, you can click in the buttons, but it's not like it's a web application here. It's we are thinking about doing on Android and other platforms, but now we have a web application, and people cannot put photos yet. We took a photo that someone posted on Facebook, and when we asked the photos, and put it here. But what is working is, I mean, we not have anything really working. It's just the design. We have just the design ready. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much.